Siyempre, physically, maganda. Siguro chinita na, hindi masyadong chinita. Sige, medyo hilaw.
May pagkamistisang chinita, gano'n.
Ganun type ko.
So,
Maputi.
look at a girl, anong una mong napapansin?
Ice?
Ay,
Someone who's really nice, genuinely nice. Yung may empathy.
na ang hirap.
Someone who's in touch with life. And understands my job. Of course.
It doesn't have anything to do with healing. Ang tinatanong ko sa iyo, may feelings ba na involved?
I care for her a lot. Care for her a lot.
Can we qualify that?
I just really care about her a lot.
He cares about me. Ay, wow naman. I care about him also, syempre. I care about him a lot. Yan.
Ano yung role mo dito?
Hostess.
Ha?
Hostess.
Oh wow! Excited tuloy ako.
No, I'm a priest.
Magpapari ka.
Magpapari.
Deacon.
Deacon siya. Deacon ako dito. Reverend. Can you close the door?
Oo nga. Sa totoong buhay ba, relihiyoso ka?
Yeah, oh, I mean, I wouldn't say super duper religious. Pero, oo naman, I believe in God. I pray.
Talaga?
Yeah. Gusto ko magkasalita. Magkakita na salita.
Kamusta si Direk?
Ano naman si Direk? Galing si Direk. I learned a lot from him. Especially yung sa pagtulong ng luha. Kasi pag minsan, naluluha agad ako. So I think there's timing in everything. And specifically,
Wow.
when you are crying, dapat sakto, dun luluha. Diba? So that was a challenge for me, but something I would bring with me in my next project.
So hindi ka na dito, masasabi natin hindi ka na ham actor.
Huh?
Ham. Banok.
Bano? Hindi naman ako bano eh.
Kasi ganun lagi ang criticism mo, di ba?
Siyempre, kung sasabihin mo, kapag nagsimula ka, di ba ngayon reporter ka, ano kung ginagawa mo? Tawag sa columnist. Nung simula po magaling ka agad.
Hindi.
Tama. So, ganun din sa pag-aarte. Ganun din sa pag-lawyer ka. Simula ka, hindi ka talaga magaling. Diba? So, I think it's just normal na sa simula ng isang trabaho or career, nanapapa ang isang tao. But we have to give them the chance to grow in their field. And with me, I am confident enough that I have grown as an actor, starting from Maria Clara Nibarra till now. Siguro the people who think that I'm bano in acting, was the people prior to Maria Clara, definitely talaga ako magaling doon.
Noong mga panahon na yun, nasasaktan ka?
I took that as a motivation for me to be better, you know. But hopefully they don't do that to other actors, because who knows, diba, what if like you're not emotionally strong enough to handle those comments. Like, come on, right? So, not just in acting, but also in you. Let's just be nice to everybody. Don't judge people.
Kay David yung quickie talk ko, si John Michelle yung para sa'yo.
Sige.
Okay, mabilisan lang David ha.
Okay naman
Kung ano
ako.
lang, kung ano lang yung unang pumasok sa sa isip mo. Okay. Boxers or briefs?
Boxers.
Tisay or morena?
Tisay.
Talaga, tisay?
Tisay.
Tasay Chinese.
Tisay.
Bedroom or comfort room?
Bedroom.
Bedroom. Boobs or butt?
Boobs.
Okay. Long hair or short hair?
Long hair.
Size ng paa mo, David?
11.
11?
11.
Okay, oh. Sexiest part of your body?
Lips.
Talaga? Oo nga. No. Matatatawa si Michelle.
Kasi kala ko abs sasabihin niya.
Oo, lahat i-expect yun eh, di ba? Importante ba sa'yo ang virginity ng babae?
Pag sa anak ko siguro.
Okay. Oo, yan.
Ah,
Maganda pero slow or hindi kagandahan pero intelligent?
Hindi kagandahan pero intelligent.
Talaga. In fairness sa mga friendship, may idea na kayo. Unang ginagawa pagkagising?
Kumain.
Talaga ba? Pagkagising?
Nakalatag sa kama.
May breakfast in bed.
Babagad ako. Babagad ako.
Unang binabasa kapag naliligo.
Buhok.
Okay. Mahilig akong mag-blank sa gabi.
Pero si Barbie, how is she as a partner dito sa series?
You know, like I have nothing but respect for Barbie. Her love and passion for acting is super contagious. Like she comes on set on time. Like every time na nasa scene kami, talagang memorize na agad niya yung mga linya. Tapos alam talaga niya yung mga nuances and like she just reacts to whatever emotion that I throw at her. So such a pleasure to work with. And I hope na baka sana siya ulit yung maging love team ko sa next soap.
Hindi, kasi malaking bagay yun, yung pag binabato yung certain good energy ng kapartner mo, no? Yung wala kang yung wala kang choice kung hindi bato rin yung good energy na nasa iyo.
Yeah, exactly. Tsaka, kasi acting, diba, dapat nag-react ka lang sa mga kausap mo. And I think Barbie is the best, or maybe one of the best in the industry in doing that.